Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to set central align to write text in Microsoft Excel. So get it started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then issue the Excel sheets. This central align the to write text. Firstly, select your needs your area. Then create a border. Now click for the border option. Now click for the all border option. This first border is heading in a source color. Then something your text. Then another border text. This text is the select your all borders option. Now click for the center align option. That's okay. Then again is something in text. Then automatically is the center align in the right text. That's okay. Then show the center align to the right text in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.